guys, my name is Elena and I'm a graphic designer. And this is my channel for beginners in Adobe Illustrator. And today I'm going to show you how to draw this illustration of orange juice. If you're interested, please keep watching. This is size of our workspace and this is our colors. Okay guys, let's start. At first we need rectangle. Here, let it be black color, and one more rectangle here. Now select both, align and pathfinder and unite. Now we need direct selection tool and select here. Now in any corner you need tight down like this and voila! Great, good job. Now we need here rectangle. Great. Now direct selection. Here a little down and here a little up. Great job. Object, path, offset path, and here -30. Great, okay. Select it, pathfinder, exclude. Great job. Now direct selection and tighten it down. Okay, our corners are rounded. Great job. Now select this color and again rectangle. Draw like me. Great job. Now here move a little left and move a little down. Yes, like this. Great. Now direct selection and these anchors select and tighten it. Great. Have some work. Like, love it. Okay, here one more rectangle and with help of direct selection these anchors tighten it. Okay, great. Now send it back. Great job. Now let's colorize our illustration. Select it, black and white gradient, and here we need this color and here we need this color. Great. Now select it, send it back, select again this gradient tool and make like me. Select this and gradient tool and again like me. Great. Now select it and again black and white gradient, and we need this color here, this color here, and this color here, and again gradient tool and make like me. Great. Now we need this color and an ellipse, and let's draw some bubbles. Great job. Okay, now select this color. We need rounded rectangle here. Let's make closer, and here and here. Great job. Copy and paste it here, select it and group it. Great. Now copy and paste it and send backward and move a little down and opacity multiply. Great job. Now let's look. Yes, I like it. Now here we need this color. Great. Yes, not bad. Now let's draw juice straw. We need rectangle here. Great. And select pink color, and we need again rectangle, this color here, small. Great. And make like me. Now effect and transform and vertical, and here 80 and 7 preview. No, maybe 70 preview. No, and 66 preview. Yes, great. Okay. Object, expand appearance. Great. Now select straw, copy and paste, send it in front, select small rectangles and straw and make clipping mask. Great. Now we need one more rectangle, white color here. Great. To the center and select this rectangle and opacity soft light. Great. Now select it and group it. Move it here. Copy and paste this straw. Move it here and select pink color and make it green. Great. Now select both straws and send it back. This straw move like this and here. Great. Now this shape copy and paste and send back. Okay. And this select and opacity 70. Great. Now I want to show you how to draw orange. We need this color and an ellipse. Great. Now object, path, offset path, minus 30, preview. No, minus 28. Great. Now this color. Great job. And select it and path, offset path, and minus 250. No, 240. Yes, great. Now this color, and we need polygon tool here, free. Okay. And this rectangle make like me. Great job. Now direct selection, these anchors tight it and this anchor tight it. Great.
Now move it here. Great. Copy and paste. Now transform, reflect, horizontal. Okay. Move it here. Select both. Align. Again transform, rotate, 45. Copy. Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Great. Delete this. Great job. Now select it. Black and white gradient. Okay. This color here. This color here and this color here. Great job. Now with help of gradient to make like me. Okay. Move it little. Great. Now select it and group it. Okay. Now this gradient and like me. Yes, I like it. Now we need this color and ellipse. And draw like me or like you want. Great job. Now select only small ellipses and soft light. Great job. Now we need rectangle tool and white color and draw a rectangle like me. Move it here, copy and paste, and one more rectangle here. Great. Select both, opacity, soft light. Now copy and paste this rectangle and move it here. Now select it and opacity 50 and select it, opacity 50. Great. And here opacity 70. Great. Now this ellipse copy and paste and bring to front and select everything and make lip and mask. Great. Move it here, make a copy of our orange. They need rectangle. Draw like me, like this. Okay. Move it here. Now select both and make lip and mask. Great. Now make it closer. We need this color and pen tool and draw like me. Okay, great job. And here and send it back. Great. Let's look. Yes, I like it. Select it and let's look. Great job. Let's go to our tutorial. Okay. Our oranges. Okay, move it here, select it, group it, make it smaller, more smaller, move it here, copy and paste, and here, and again copy and paste, and one more here. Great job. Now select it, opacity 70. Great. Now we need rectangle, white color, and move it here like this. Make it a little bigger, and here. Great. Now copy and paste it and put it here. Now again copy and paste and make it a little smaller here and here. Select everything and soft light, and select this highlight and this highlight, and opacity 50. Great. And select this shape, copy and paste, and bring in front and select all highlights and this shape and make lip-in mask. Great. And we need to make highlight here, again rectangle, make it like this here, and make it white color. Select it, copy and paste, bring in front, select highlight and this shape and make lip-in mask. Now soft light for highlight and select it and send it back. Great job. Now select this orange, move it here, make it a little smaller like this. Great job. And now I want to add some highlights for our orange. We need polygon tool, 3, this rectangle, need to select here and tighten it, and select here and a little tighten it. Great. Now this color, make it smaller and move it here. Let's make a little closer, make it more smaller, and here copy and paste like this and here, and again copy and paste and like this and here. Let's look. Yes, I like it. Great job. Now let's a little play with our straws. Great, I like it more. Now select everything, move it here. Now this bubble move here. Now move it a little up. Now here I want to draw one more highlight. We need brush and white color and draw like me, or you can create your own highlight. Great. And make stroke to fill and opacity 70. Great, let's look. Now let's make 50. Yes, I like it. Okay, our orange juice is ready.
Okay guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you like my tutorial, please subscribe, give me a like, and see you soon guys. Bye bye. Mwah.